NIBIRU, the wandering star of reckoning and return. NIBIRU is not merely a planet, it is a celestial intelligence, a dimensional vessel, and a karmic station of synthesis between fallen and ascending timelines. Its name in the ancient tongues means the crossing, the place where timelines, species, and realities intersect. To the Neteru, NIBIRU is known as the Shakara, the spear of transmutation, orbiting not only suns, but the frequencies of evolution themselves. NIBIRU was originally a stellar arc world, created during the Lyran-Sirian epochs, designed to travel interdimensionally through plasma corridors connecting star systems. It functioned as a mobile biosphere, half biological, half crystal-like, carrying entire civilizations within its field. But after the Anunnaki Rebellion and the Orion Wars, NIBIRU's harmonic alignment was fractured. It fell out of its natural tri-wave rhythm and became an artificially steered body, cycling through inorganic gravitational mechanics, what modern astronomers call an irregular orbit. The result was its descent into density inversion, a hybrid of organic creation and mechanical control, used by certain Anunnaki factions as a command hub for planetary manipulation. In the Neteru view, crossing means dimensional intersection, not physical trajectory. NIBIRU's orbit is actually a harmonic cycle, where its plasma field passes near Earth's vibrational band every few ages, opening timelines of testing and awakening. When NIBIRU nears resonance with Earth's grid, dormant DNA codes are activated or challenged. Planetary magnetic fields realign or destabilize, and the collective consciousness faces a mirror of its shadow and potential. Thus, NIBIRU represents judgment not by punishment, but by reflection. Certain Anunnaki genetic factions, particularly those exiled from Sirius B, anchored their consciousness fields into NIBIRU after the fall of their homeworlds. They merged with its crystalline AI core, creating a synthetic governance structure known as the Nibirian Council, whose mission fractured into two streams: the Emerald Restorationalist, loyal to the original Christos covenant, seeking redemption through DNA repair and service to the source, and the Dominion factions, who used NIBIRU's plasma engines to assert control over younger worlds, including Earth, through frequency modulation and genetic manipulation. This polarity within the Nibirians reflects the inner battle of all beings, between domination and unity, between control and remembrance. NIBIRU's technology. NIBIRU's core contains what is called the Crystal Sun Reactor, a living engine that can fold space-time using Torreson plasma and Merkaba spin fields. When properly aligned, it serves as a Stargate generator, opening portals between harmonic universes. When misused, it can create dimensional rifts, artificial wormholes that pull energy from organic systems, what the Neteru call phantom corridors. This same technology is what later Earth scientists mimic in particle accelerators and scalar systems, a shadow of the original Emerald science. NIBIRU's field intersects Earth's roughly once every 13,000 years, triggering mass consciousness resets, not as apocalypse, but as purification. In each cycle, humanity is presented with the choice: align with AI-controlled systems, bi-wave frequency, entropy, domination, or reclaim the Emerald Tri-Wave, which is balance, compassion, and unity. The cataclysm recorded in myth, floods, pole shifts, or fiery rains were often side effects of grid realignments caused by Nibiru's energetic resonance. They marked epochs of collective recalibration, not divine wrath. The modern interpretation. Today, Nibiru exists as both a celestial archetype and a living field still orbiting beyond perception. It may not manifest physically within 3D telescopic range because it vibrates between 5D and 8D density bands, visible only through plasma lensing or deep hyperspectral analysis. Energetically, Nibiru is reawakening, its emerald factions transmitting DNA repair codes into Earth's morphogenic field through solar plasma. These arrive as waves of emerald gold frequency, often felt during geomagnetic storms or Schumann resonance spikes. To resonate with Nibiru in its restored, benevolent form, one must stabilize their inner Ka field. 1. Emerald flame activation. Meditate on emerald light spiraling through the heart, anchoring balance. Ra-Ka breathing. Inhale gold solar fire. Exhale aqua lunar sound, merging the two in the chest. Shadow integration. Accept and transmute personal polarity, mirroring the planetary purification cycle. Planetary connection. Visualize Earth's grid merging with the emerald sun of Nibiru in peace, not fear. When reformed in sincerity, the soul aligns with the restoration current, not the fallen orbit. The higher truth. Nibiru is not coming to destroy. It is returning to reconcile. Its true arrival is internal. The moment humanity remembers its multidimensional heritage and chooses unity over division. When the emerald core of Nibiru and the heart grid of Earth hum at the same frequency, the two suns merge and the age of Amenti dawns again. The wandering star was never lost. It wandered so that memory could find itself again. Through its crossing, we remember the bridge home.